The physical world is about to get a digital upgrade, and it's not coming from satellites or tech giants. It's coming from everyday people with everyday drones, one flight at a time. This is Drone On, the only podcast in the air and on the airwaves. I'm Bryce Bladon, and on this show, we explore the technology, economics, and people building the world's largest standardized drone imagery network. Each episode, we explain how drones are reshaping industries, creating new economic opportunities, and literally changing how we see the world. We're bringing you stories from the ground, pilots contributing to the world's largest drone imagery network, the breakthrough tech behind decentralized spatial intelligence, real applications transforming real industries like construction, agriculture, climate science, and beyond, and conversations with the visionaries building the infrastructure for the future. This is Drone On, and the future is being mapped right now. Subscribe to wherever you get your podcasts. New episode every week.